So now if we click on our gallery button, we can see that there's a number of different problems here. Okay, so the first thing, we're going to open our categories.php. And first of all, we need to include our initialize file. So require once, and inside of this function, inc initialize.php. So that's the first thing. So now if we preview the page and refresh it, you can see everything is shown as it should. Obviously, we need to work with the formatting and some other things. So if we go back to the editor, first of all, we need to change our heading, which now is P with a class PT, and obviously closing paragraph as well. Then we need to amend our links by adding mod to the beginning of it. So mod equals 5 ampersand and continue with the P, ID, and so on. So copy this, paste in front of every P parameter. Okay, if we now save the page, go back to the browser, refresh it, you can see our heading now is displaying correctly. If we click on edit, it takes us to the page. Obviously, we need to do exactly the same steps over there. But also, we would like to display the page, the table in the right format. We've used IDs here. So this first table will have ID of table insert. And our repeat table repeat, will be also with the ID of table repeat. If we go back, refresh, you can see it looks much better. Now we also have assigned our classes to define the percentage, the width in percentage for the specific columns. So the best thing to do it, rather than just defining it in line here, let's just open our style sheet for the content management system, scroll down, and then go back to our gallery tutorial, open our style sheet as well, and let's copy these styles from this style sheet exactly. So if we scroll down, we've got 10, 15, text align right. We can also copy all this UL gallery, labels, span, and so on. So copy all this and paste it at the end of the style sheet from the content management system. If we close this now, go back, refresh, and it looks much better, obviously. Now we need to focus on this form at the top. If we look at the form at the top, the class for form fields here is frmfld. So save it. And if we now preview this in the browser, yeah, that looks much better. Now if we click add, obviously the warnings are displayed on the left hand side rather than the top. So go back, and we're going to have to amend our validation messages a little. So if we cut the whole thing and paste it above the table row. Now if we scroll up to our message, and we're going to replace the span by the table row, tr th with the non-breakable space, and th closing, then td class, and the class will be wrn. Then the closing one here will be td and tr. So if we save this and preview in the browser, refresh, resend, and now everything displays correctly. If we try to add a new category, it all works fine. So this page is finished, nearly finished actually, because as you can see, our text here is displayed in gray. So let's go back and open the style sheet again. Then let's go to our CMS style sheet. And the core, we've got Okay, we've got it. We can copy this clear as well in div. All this might be helpful. So if we scroll down, paste it underneath. Okay, then we have this warning and confirmation. And all these fields here. Submit button. Yeah, we can use this as well. So let's copy it and paste it to the other style sheet. Okay, now if we refresh, go here, refresh. Actually, no, if we just, yeah, if we add another category, another new category. Now we've got it in green, but I'm not entirely sure about this button. So let's go back and remove the button, the label for this button, as well as the ID button. Save it. Now go back. Oops, still okay. Let's open the style sheet and let's simply remove all this information. Submit button, so on. If it's going to change anything. Yep, now I've got just the normal button. Okay, so let's move to the next video. We're going to have a look at the remaining pages. We start with the remove one.